So here's how we do Chinese subtitles on an American TV show or movie. First thing that we want to do is go to, let's say, Easy TV or the Pirate Bay. I'm going to show you on Easy TV. I'm going to go to Show List. Here we are on Easy TV. I go to Show List. We're going to just take a show, for example, like popular TV show True Blood. So we go to True Blood. We find the most recent episode. And we see here 720p, True Blood, Season 3, 12, 720p. Okay, so we go download. We tell it to go ahead and open with transmission and add, and there it is downloading. Okay, that's done. That's the easy part. We've all done that before, a little downloading of a TV show. Now the next thing that we want to do is go to a website called shooter.cn. It's in China. It's not the best website in the world, but it does have lots and lots and lots of Chinese subtitles. So you can see here I did a search for True Blood, and I came up with all of the recent episodes of True Blood. The one that I want here is the 720p version. Now, I'm downloading the 720p version of the TV show, so I also need the 720p version of the subtitle. I can't use this one, and I can't use this one because they're not the 720p. It's a different thing. You need to go for the 720p version. You also need to look here. Hopefully you can read Chinese. Here it says Ingwen, Jiantizi, and here finally at the end it says Fantizi. Okay, so we want the Fantizi. So this one has all three: English, Simplified Chinese, and Traditional Chinese. So we're just going to go ahead and hit download. I'm going to throw it on my RAM disk. Boom, done. Okay, now that's done. Now you can see over here I have the show. I pre-downloaded it. Okay, so here's the 720 version MKV of the file, and here's the RAR that I just got from the shooter.cn. I'm going to open the RAR. I end up with a folder. Now inside the folder you can see I have Chinese Simplified, Chinese Traditional, and English. I always go for the Chinese Simplified because most of these subtitles come from China and they don't always get the encoding right on the traditional files, so they don't always work. But the simplified files almost always work. Now in order to get this TV show to work with this subtitle in QuickTime, or in Windows, or in whatever you're using, I have to make sure that this file name and this file name are not close, but exactly the same. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go copy, Control-C, the name of this file, and then I'm going to change the name of this one, Control-V, to be exactly the same name. As you can see, this one has exactly the same name as this one. And now, when I simply double-click on this file, it's going to open it in QuickTime, and it's going to preload the subtitle because they have the same name. If they don't have the same name, it won't work. So make sure they have the same name. Now when I hit play, hopefully the subtitle will show up as correct. Now you can see there's no subtitles showing up now. Sometimes in the preliminary portion of the TV show there won't be any subtitles attached, but when we get past the introduction we will get to where the subtitles are actually kicking in. So now you can see the subtitles are there. You can see that they're actually simplified, and now we have to check, are they actually synced up? They're not always synced up with the actual talking. So we'll just skip ahead here, see what somebody says, make sure that it's synced up correctly. Okay, waiting for some talking. Yep. Looks good. Maybe skip ahead a bit. Wait for some more talking, make sure it's synced up correctly. Yep, looks good. Okay, so that is the long and the short of downloading and syncing up subtitles for shows that we downloaded from the internet. If I missed anything, send me an email, and I'll sort you out. Bye-bye for now.